डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के ट्रांसलेशन के लिए मेरा इंग्लिश क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को दबा लें जिससे कि सारे वीडियोस आपको लगातार मिलते रहें। क्या गांव में ठंडी हवा चलती है? Does the cold wind blow in the village? Does the cold wind blow in the village? क्या आप विद्यार्थी कक्षा में शोर नहीं मचाते हैं? Do the students not make a noise now? Do the students not make a noise now? क्या तुम रोज़ाना दिल्ली जाते हो? Do you go to Delhi daily? Do you go to Delhi daily? क्या तुमने मुझे कॉल करना ज़रूरी नहीं समझा? Didn't you consider it necessary to call me? Didn't you consider it necessary to call me? उसने उनके सवालों का जवाब देना ज़रूरी नहीं समझा. He did not consider it necessary to answer their questions. He did not consider it necessary to answer their questions. उसने मन मारकर यह काम किया. He did that work half-heartedly. He did that work half-heartedly. क्या तुम उसके झंझट में पड़ गए? Did you get into his mess? Did you get into his mess? बड़े अफसोस की बात है कि वह जिंदा नहीं है. It's a pity that he is no more. It's a pity that he is no more. सर से लेकर पैर तक मेरे शरीर में दर्द दे रहा है. My body is aching from head to toe. My body is aching from head to toe. वहाँ जाना आपको महंगा पड़ेगा. It will be a costly affair for you to go there. It will be a costly affair to go there. तुम्हें इस गलतफहमी में नहीं रहना चाहिए. You should not be in this misconception. You should not be in this misconception. तुम हमेशा मुसीबत मोल लेते हो. You always ask for trouble. You always ask for trouble. वहाँ जाना मुसीबत मोल लेना है. Going there is asking for trouble. Going there is asking for trouble. तुम हमेशा खाली बैठे रहते हो. अब कुछ काम भी कर लो. You have been sitting idle for a long time. Now do some work too. You have been sitting idle for a long time. Now do some work too. तुम में और मुझ में जमीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. There is a world of difference between you and I. There is a world of difference between you and I. ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क यानी world of difference. बिना सोचे समझे उसे मत बुलाओ. Don't call him without a second thought. Don't call him without a second thought. तुम्हारी पार्टी तुम्हें ही मुबारक हो. मैं नहीं आ रहा हूँ. Good luck. Your party to you only. I am not coming. Good luck. Your party to you only. I am not coming. मतलब मुबारक हो यानी गुड लक. तो इस तरीके से सेंटेंस बनता है. वे अपने बच्चों की शिक्षा के लिए अंधाधुंध पैसे खर्च करेंगे. They will throw away money for their children's education. They will throw away money for their children's education. वह काफ़ी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल लेता है. He speaks English well enough. He speaks English well enough. मैं किसी के जले पर नमक नहीं छिड़कता. I don't add insult to anyone's injury. I don't add insult to anyone's injury. तुम्हें भी अभी पूछना था. You too had to ask right away. You too had to ask right away. तुम तो चुप होने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहे. You are not ready to keep quiet. You are not ready to keep quiet. भगवान की कृपा से मुझे नौकरी मिल गई. By the grace of God, I got a job. By the grace of God, I got a job. इसी बहाने मैं तुमसे मिल भी लूँगा. On this pretext, I will meet you as well. On this pretext, I will meet you as well. जाते जाते मेरा मूड खराब मत करो. Don't spoil my mind while going. Don't spoil my mind while going. हम अपनी मर्जी से वहाँ गए थे. We had gone there by our own choice. We had gone there by our own choice. मैं तुमसे प्यार नहीं करता. बात खत्म. I don't love you. End of the matter. I don't love you. End of the matter. मेरा मन नहीं मान रहा उसे बताने को. My heart is not ready to tell her. My heart is not ready to tell her. वह तुम्हारे कान भरने की कोशिश करेगी. She will try to poison your ears. She will try to poison your ears. उसका यहाँ कभी कभार ही आना होता है. He gets to come here rarely. He gets to come here rarely. मेरा हर महीने गांव आना जाना होता है. I get to visit my village every month. I get to visit my village every month. उससे अक्सर मिलना हो जाता है. I get to meet him often. I get to meet him often. उससे मेरी जान पहचान हो रही है. I am getting to know him. I am getting to know him. हमें थोड़ी देर और टीवी देखने दो. Let us watch TV a little longer. Let us watch TV a little longer. वह शादी करने के लिए मरी जा रही थी. She was dying to get married. She was dying to get married. उसके झांसे में मत पड़ो. Don't get into his hawks. Don't get into his hawks. मैं तुम्हारी तरह उल्टी बात नहीं करता. I don't talk back like you. I don't talk back like you. यह खाना खाने लायक नहीं है. This food is not worth eating. This food is not worth eating. सुबह व्यायाम करने की आदत डालो. Get used to exercise in the morning. Get used to exercise in the morning. वह बात बात पर हंसती रहती है. She keeps laughing on every single matter. She keeps laughing on every single matter. उस 2 कौड़ी के इंसान से मैं नहीं मिलना चाहता। I don't want to meet that 2-penny person. I don't want to meet that 2-penny person. वह खाना झूठा था। That food was an odd food. That food was an odd food. मैं रातों रात अमीर बनना चाहता हूँ। I want to become rich overnight. I want to become rich overnight. अपना काम अपने पास रखो। Keep your work to yourself. Keep your work to yourself. मेरा तुम्हारे ड्रेस से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। I have nothing to do with your dress. I have nothing to do with your dress. किससे पूछकर तुम वहाँ गए? By asking whom did you go there? By asking whom did you go there? मुझे तुमसे बात करने की आदत है। I am in the habit of talking to you. I am in the habit of talking to you. यह इतना आसान नहीं है जितना तुम सोच रहे हो। It is not as easy as you are thinking. It is not as easy as you are thinking. तुम इतनी सीधी नहीं हो जितनी लगती हो। You are not as innocent as you look. You are not as innocent as you look. मैंने किसी से बात नहीं करवाई उसकी। I didn't make him talk to anyone. I didn't make him talk to anyone. यहाँ से इंग्लिश सीख कर जाना। Go after learning English from here. Go after learning English from here.